to fix ongoing device setup on your iPhone. If you're stuck with the ongoing device setup message in iOS 18 on your iPhone, usually in settings at the top under your name, here is how to fix it. First of all, make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen. This setup process requires internet access, so make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. If it is already connected, toggle Wi-Fi off and back on or avoid cellular data for this step. Now once done, so go back to the home screen. And now all you have to do is tap on the settings app option available in your iPhone. Once inside the settings app, scroll down, tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, tap on the software update. Now all you have to do is install any available updates. There might be a bug in the current build, so make sure to update it to the latest version. Once updated, go back to the settings general again. And now scroll down till the bottom. And there you'll get to see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Then tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings. This does not delete your data but resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and many more. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.